work best. 3. Eye cream for dark circles. Number 1. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. This highly emollient formula practically evaporates on contact and moisturizes without leaving a shiny finish. It contains a cocktail of high-tech ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and skin-lightening niacinamide to suppress dark shadows. Number 2. Paula's Choice Resist Anti-Aging Eye Gel. A unique blend of multifunctional ingredients visibly brighten, hydrate, minimize the appearance of fine lines, and reduce signs of fatigue around the eye area. Number 3. Pure Biology Premium Total Eye Cream. It contains caffeine, an old-school ingredient that works to constrict blood vessels and temporarily lighten the appearance of dark eye circles.